Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to share your ChatGPT conversations. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already signed in to my ChatGPT account. If you have not, do sign in right now. Well, this is the home page after you have signed in, and here are the chats or conversations that I have had with ChatGPT. Well, for instance, I want to share this specific conversation with someone. So here's what we can do about it. Simply click on the conversation you want to send, and on the right side of this conversation you will find those three dots. Simply click on them, and now there are lots of options available like delete chat, rename, share. For now we only need to click on the share button. Now a new pop-up will open. You can directly copy the link from right here that says copy link, but there are other things that we can focus on. On these three dots, if you click on them, you can share your name, and for instance you do not want to share your name, the same process, share anonymously. And after everything's okay, simply click on copy link, and there you have it. That's how you create a link for a conversation. To look at the links that you have shared, simply click on this profile icon that you will find at the bottom left, then settings. Now what you need to do in this settings tab is simply go to data control and shared links. Next to shared links is manage. Simply click on it, and there you have it. Those are your shared links. You can delete it from right here, or you can view the source chat. After everything is okay, simply share your link to your partner or friend. That's how you share your conversation with your friend. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.